In the next 3 minutes, you'll see how the Bellwether Volar actually flies, why its design breaks every eVTOL rule, and whether it can survive real-world physics. This isn't a concept anymore, it's a third-generation prototype called the Oryx, already in active flight testing. The Volar's biggest flex is simple: no exposed rotors. Instead, it hides 4 ducted electric fans inside the body. Traditional aircraft use large open rotors for efficient lift. The Volar compresses that into smaller enclosed fans. That makes it quieter, safer for rooftop landings, and far more compact in tight urban spaces. But physics doesn't care about design. Smaller fans move less air, so they have to spin much faster. That means higher energy consumption, more heat, and faster battery drain. It looks clean, but it's working much harder to stay in the air. Now, let's bring this into the real world. The Volar can cruise at around 140 kilometers per hour, with a range of roughly 100 kilometers. That means a 50-minute commute could drop to about 8 minutes. An airport trip that normally takes an hour could turn into a 10-minute direct flight. But here's the reality. It'll likely cost over $500,000. This isn't public transport. It's closer to owning a flying supercar. You're paying to eliminate traffic entirely, not just reduce it. Now the uncomfortable part. The Volar's design is fighting physics at every level. Enclosed fans restrict airflow. Restricted airflow demands more power. More power generates more heat. And heat becomes the limiting factor. Right now, the biggest challenge isn't just range. It's keeping the system cool enough to sustain flight without draining the battery too fast. On top of that, Bellwether is competing with companies that have billions in funding and are closer to certification. They're the underdog in a very expensive race. Their strategy is clear focus on short, high-value urban flights where efficiency matters less than safety and compact design. So what is the Volar really? It's not the most efficient aircraft, it's not the longest-range solution, but it might be the most city-friendly flying vehicle ever built. It solves real urban problems, noise, safety, and landing space, but it trades away endurance and practicality. Right now, it's not replacing cars. It's redefining short-distance travel for a premium market. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a test. Can futuristic design actually beat raw physics? If you want to see another wild take on flying cars, check out the Aleph Model A next.